morning, we had an on-time launch at 7:24 a.m. Eastern Time, followed by successful ascent, stage separation, first stage landing, and 2 second stage engine burns. We have just one more major milestone coming up, the one everyone's waiting for, which of course is the deployment of the GPS III-06 satellite from Falcon 9's second stage, which will happen in just a couple seconds from now.
Spacecraft separation confirmed.
And there we heard the call out, and you can see there on your screen, we have a successful payload deployment. So with that beautiful view, we will bring our webcast to a close. Thank you to the U.S. Space Force for entrusting us with today's GPS III Space Vehicle 6 mission. SpaceX is one of 2 certified providers for national security space launch missions, and we take great pride in our support of missions like GPS III-06. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy the rest of your day.